guys, my name is Anya. I am with whatmomwears.com, a blog about everything from mom fashion to just real life and everything in between. So I wanted to talk to you today about my favorite hair product or hair styling tool, I guess you would say, and that is going to be my Ponytail. So I actually have one already in my hair, and if you can see, I did kind of a messy top knot with a little bit of an embellishment that I stole from my daughter. I wanted to talk to you about my hair texture and just the difficulties that I've had with other hairstyling products. Obviously, pretty much everybody's number one go-to for hairstyling is going to be your standard hair tie. I have used everything from the thicker ones to the thinner ones, and even in my blog posts and my pictures, you will typically see me wearing one around my wrist. So the problem with hair ties is after, I don't know, 2 or 3 uses, it's already starting to get stretched out. You're starting to get this gap going on where it's losing its elasticity, and of course when you wear it on your wrist, it's going to stretch it out just because otherwise it's cutting off the circulation, and who wants that? The other issue is when I work out, which I work out regularly every morning, 4:30, I'm in the gym at least Monday through Friday. And yes, that is a plug for getting up early in the morning and doing your workout. Anyway, moving on. My hair always tends to slip down. And I do have some good texture to my hair, but it's not super thick. So I have to wrap my ponytail multiple times, and I don't like low, saggy ponytails. I like them to be up high and bouncy and perky, and I just don't get that with hair ties. I don't know if anybody else struggles with that, because I'm pretty sure they do, but I don't get it. So when I saw Ponytail, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try this, because you know it's got the little nubbies on the inside that's supposed to prevent it from slipping. So I'm like, well, let's just go with it. So I ordered a black one and I ordered a blonde one because my daughter has blonde hair. So this is what we came up with. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a demo today on how I style my hair with a Ponytail, and yeah, we'll go from there. For demonstration purposes today, so you can actually see this against my dark hair, I'm going to use the blonde one. Obviously, you kind of probably want to match it to your hair colors. If you have brown hair like mine or black, the black is going to be your friend if you don't have to cover it up with a section of hair. So typically what I do is I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb. You can finger comb it, you can slick it back if you want your hair to be smoother, but I like a little bit of texture in mine sometimes, so I'm just going to take my hair up to whatever height you want your ponytail to be, and I'm going to take my Ponytail, and you basically just do it like you would a normal ponytail. So take your hair, pull it through, and then you're going to flip your hair forward and pinch the Ponytail together. Spread your hair out and then fold over the ends. So it should look something like that. And when you're done, flip your hair over. You've got this super cute Perky ponytail. It looks voluminous because you've got that space going on underneath the backside, and it's bouncy, and I have a video of working out, doing a HIIT workout with this ponytail, and it doesn't slip. It's super awesome. Anyway, so this is going to make your workout just kind of next level and everyday life too. I'm not one to wear my hair down. I have 3 kids. You know, I don't have time to style my hair all the time, so you're going to see me in a messy bun or ponytail more often than not. So the other thing I want to show you today is how I do a top knot with this Ponytail as a base. So if you have thin hair, you've probably discovered that doing a top knot or anything like that just does not look right with your hair because it's thin and stringy. But the Ponytail is actually going to be the perfect base to do a nice thick top knot. All you're going to do is take your ponytail. You don't have to twist it or anything. In fact, you don't want to twist it. And you're just going to wrap it around your ponytail like this, so the base of your ponytail, and then you're just going to pin the ends. And I know it looks a little ridiculous at the moment. I'm not a unicorn, bear with me. So then you're just going to start taking pieces, little sections from your top knot, pulling them loose a little bit, and just pinning them down around the bottom until you get that perfect messy top knot look, however you want that to be. You just keep pulling and pinning to your heart's content, and then take your little hair accessory, whatever you want, and stick it in there and be done with it. So that's kind of my go-to for days that I want to dress it up a little bit and not have a ponytail. And it's super easy and it looks great and it holds. That's the key. It stays, people.